Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a little update here on the Home Edition Master Bath and Master Closet. Alright, so finally got it painted. And yes, it's pink. My wife and one of my granddaughters picked it out, so we got the vanity there. It's sort of sitting in place. I had to put it there so the granite guys could come and measure. We're gonna do a quartz countertop with 2 sinks. Of course, it'll go all the way back there. And I got some plumbing work to do since I'm doing 2 sinks now. It's plumbed for 1, but you can run 2 into 1 drain and split the water lines off, no problem. We also have the shower is ready to be tiled. Got the niche is just sitting there. I still have to seal it and screw it in. Everything's done. All the trim is in. What the tile will go up to. Same here. And same on this wall here. Got all that trim in, so the shower's pretty much ready to be tiled. They're gonna put the same quartz on the seat, up here on top of this wall, all the way around. And in the base of the niche, they're gonna have the same quartz. And it's a black sparkly, I believe it's called Stellar Night is the name of the quartz. And it's also gonna go up here on top of this knee wall. So one big development is I got all the lighting and all the vents in. So all the LED wafer lights, the dual ventilation fan vents are in, and the power is now hooked up. Let's come over here to our switch. Got the first one. That's just for the hallway here. 2 lights. And the next one, of course, they're dimmable too, so. Next one is turn that off, the vanity set. And that operates these 2 and the one above the shower. So when you flip that on, it'll turn those on. And it also controls this switch, or this outlet here, receptacle, which the lighted mirror will be plugged into. And then this light right here is over the tub, and that's got its own switch, and it's also dimmable. All the outlets check out. I checked everything with a tester. Okay, so that was a vanity set. This is the double vent fan. This fan is mounted up in the attic, and it vents outside the house. I don't know if you can hear that. It's pretty quiet. But it's on a timer, so you have 60 minutes, 40 minutes, I believe 20 and 10. And as it counts down, it'll change lights. Or you can just set it for 10 minutes if you want. And then there's, of course, a manual off, manual on. And then this here is the fan above the toilet, which is this one. And it has its own lights as well. One there, which I think we're going to change those bulbs to a little brighter color. And then it also has a night light there. And all 3 of those are controlled by a single switch. So you got the fan, main light, and the night light. Over here, I haven't hooked this outlet up, but that's going to be for the dryer. 240 volt plug there. We got a plug for the washing machine. And then an additional plug, we're going to mount like a little vacuum cleaner or something in this area. Somewhere. just a little handheld vac for like dryer lint and stuff like that, stuff that comes off the clothes. Then they got the washing machine hookups. We'll have 90-degree hoses coming off and routing their way back here. I still have to drill a hole for the dryer somewhere in this area for the vent. Wait till I get the dryer so I can make it straight. And then over here, there's another plug for the vanity. And this light switch here, excuse me, is not dimmable, but it controls the new fan that we put up, the ceiling fan. So we'll turn that on. And here's what that ceiling fan light looks like. Now let me get the controller here. It comes with a remote control. And you can dim it down. Take it back up. And then you can also change the color on it as well. And also has a fan, and it's got like 6 speeds here, plus it's reversible, so there's single speed, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I don't know if you can tell, but that thing really puts out some air. Let me see. I don't know if it's blowing my hair or not, but puts out quite a bit of air. Let me turn that off. And it's got an all off button here. Shut the whole thing down. And so that's what that switch does, and that you cut that on or off and then use the remote. We picked this up at a liquidation store. They came with marble tops on them, and it had 2 sinks, and we didn't want that color top or those sinks, and we asked if she had any without tops, and she had one in the back that was, the top was busted on it, and I said, well, that's perfect. We don't want the top anyway. We're doing our own. And so she gave me a great price on this. It was like $700. This sells normally at Home Depot for around $13, $14, just depending. And that's, of course, with the top. So I think we got a good deal. It was brand new in the box, so everything's, of course, you can see the drawers are all divided, and then it's soft close. Same with the doors. Soft close. And I'll just have to do some plumbing mods to get it to come through the... I got a hole cut out for the pipes, and then I'll have to split it off and run it each side. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the updates. I still have to get some grills for the HVAC vents. And then it's time to start doing some trim work in here. I got my my tile guy. He said as soon as my quartz is done, he'll come over and start the tile. We'll get that quartz installed. Oh yeah, let me show you the closet. So we just went white in the closet. And here's the lights. 2 LED wafer lights. And these are 6-inch lights. And they're really easy to install, and it's got a dimmer as well. So that pretty much wraps it up for an update. I got a bunch of switch plates to install and get some trim going here soon. It's been so cold out this weekend I wasn't able to do anything outside. And we lost power for half the day yesterday, so couldn't really get much done. Anyway, thanks again for watching Projects with Paul, and we'll see you next time. All right, real quick, if you guys see any of the products you like in the video, there'll be an Amazon link down below in the description. I do get a small commission off of Amazon. It doesn't cost you anything. If you go to the link and you purchase something, I'll get a small commission. It's like 3%. But every little bit helps, and helps add to the channel. So anything like the the ceiling fan here, the wafer lights. I'll try to link it down below. Thanks again for watching.